Hello, my name is Wendy Dawson and I'm going to present a lesson today on a maths phenomenon in nature to a Year 3 class. I will be speaking to the class about symmetry and showing them some visuals of symmetry in nature. Later on, I will be asking them to find shapes in the classroom for them to trace around and cut out. Then I will get them to fold the shape and see whether it folds easily in half, meaning the shape is symmetrical or asymmetrical. Good morning, class. Today we are going to look at a maths phenomenon. What is this big word phenomenon? A maths phenomenon is a fact, an impressive maths occurrence, a maths miracle, or an event which can be explained using maths. The area we are going to look at today is called symmetry. What is symmetry, you ask? Well, symmetry is when one shape becomes exactly like another if you flip it, slide it, or turn it. Here are some photos that I took in my backyard. So, as you can see, symmetry is everywhere, even though you may not have realised it. Did anyone notice a photograph of my dog? Why was he there? Well, even my dog displays symmetry. If you were to draw a line down the middle of his face, you would see that one side of his face could be mirrored onto the other side. Symmetry can be either rotational or reflectional. Can someone tell me what it's called when you look into a mirror? That's right. You see your reflection, TJ. Today we're going to look at reflectional symmetry. Let's look at what happens to this piece of paper when we fold it in half. First of all, what shape do we have? Lucy, do you want to have a go? Okay. That's right, it's a rectangle, and we know this because there's two long sides and two shorter sides. So we've got one big rectangle. Let's see if we fold this piece of paper carefully in half, making sure there's no overlap. There is no overlap, is there? We fold it out, and now there's a line down the middle called the line of symmetry, and we have not one rectangle, now we have two small rectangles. Now I'm going to give you a piece of paper and I would like you to go around the classroom and find a shape, get your lead pencil, trace around the shape, and then get your scissors and cut out a shape, and then we're going to stop there and we'll have a look and see if your shape is symmetrical. Off you go. All right, so how did you go with those shapes? TJ, we'll go with yours first. And you created a circle, that's right. What happens when we fold your circle in half? There's not really an overlap, so that means you have a line of symmetry. So the circle is symmetrical. What about this triangle? Ted, how did you go with your triangle? Do you think we can fold your triangle in half? No. So your triangle is not symmetrical, or you can call it asymmetrical. There's no line of symmetry. And Lucy, you did a square. And are you able to fold yours in half? Yes. You have a line of symmetry. And just notice with the square, when we have a line of symmetry down the middle, now we have two what shapes? They're called rectangles, that's right. And this shape is symmetrical. So from this we can see that the triangle Ted created does not have a line of symmetry. TJ's circle and Lucy's square do have a line of symmetry. Thank you, everyone.